Whenever we get a Defender in at this price point, it attracts a boatload of attention because, usually speaking, they're well above 60, 70,000 pounds. This is a 21 plate Defender 110. It's in Pangea Green, which is a very popular colour, quite a traditional Land Rover colour. It's a 3-litre diesel D200, which there are 2-litre D200s, but you want the 3-litre version, which is what this is. It's then got air suspension, sliding pan roof, camera systems, Apple CarPlay, heated seats, all the features you would want from a family SUV. The colour is going to be the biggest selling point, combination with the specification as well. Black badges, the colour's lovely. You see a lot of these cars in black and grey, which is a good colour, but it's nice to see a difference. You've got gloss black multi-spokes, the tie lovely with the black mirrors. The sliding pan roof is a big one. It's a big one. It's not very often you see Defenders with it, and if you do, they're usually, again, 60,000, 70,000 pounds. Very spacious 5-seater, so this is why we sell so many of them, because they're just a great all-rounder. So you've got great visibility, plenty of space in the back if you have a family, and then with the nice touches that this one has, like air suspension, sliding roof, just finishes it off exactly how you would want it. Huge boot space. So if you're the sort of family or person who carries a lot of luggage, belongings, whatever it might be on a daily, air suspension you can control from the back. So if you have a slightly older dog that needs to climb in, or if you're usually putting stuff in and out, suitcases that are heavy, that will come in handy as well. Full size spare with the spare wheel cover on the back. So it's just a great car. It's a car we sold once before. It's done just over 30,000 miles, so low miles for its age. Full service history. And then when you get into the front of the cockpit, you'll see the other features that this car has. So the Defender is a great looking car on the outside, and then you get a nice specification on the interior as well. So let me touch on a few of the options that you get on this particular one. Lane keep assist, cruise control are your driving features. You've then got things like traffic sign recognition. Your tablet display in the centre has your navigation, your media, your telephone. Air suspension you can control from here as well. Heated seats work on there, same as your climate control, your features. If I pop it into reverse, rear view, aerial view, cameras. So if this is a step up in size for you, you don't need to be cautious about parking it. They will help you with that. The sliding pan roof has a visor across it, but for me, I would have it open. But if the weather's not too good, you can still have the light coming in, but put it across. You've got space down the bottom here, cup holders, everything you'd want to or need to carry with you. USB chargers everywhere as well, so if you're going on longer journeys and you need to charge tablets and iPads, you've got the kids with you, that will come in handy as well. Cracking price point, great spec, the right engine with it being a 3-litre diesel opposed to the 2, so it will be a great car and it will attract a lot of attention. If you want to have a chat about how you can buy it, different funding options, part exchange you may have, feel free to give me a shout. My name is Paddy. I'll answer any questions that you've got.